When structural connections count, find strength in numbers. Introducing the most badass structural screws ever. They don't simply meet code, they crush it. Code compliant, rigorously tested, and DRJ certified. Featuring the mother of all coatings, ProTech Ultra 4 is a 4-layer exterior grade coating that separates us from the pack, providing ultimate protection against harsh environmental elements. And we've also included hot dip galvanized for coastal applications. They're performance engineered and designed, each screw built like a beast, in every size you'll ever need, so you can build like a beast. We cover truss, multiply, ledger, framing, and multi-purpose screws for every other application. Our screws hold stronger, drive faster, last longer, and perform better, saving you time and money. Trust CAMO when your connections count. CAMO, the better way to build a deck.